Good morning, Shillong. It's a real pleasure for us to be here today in Shillong with Mindrocks. We are the India Today Group. We are a media company headquartered in Delhi. We have 4 TV channels, 7 radio stations, and 36 magazines. We also do about 40 events in a year. But Mindrocks is our funnest event. So we're very happy to bring Mindrocks here today. This is the 7th edition of Mindrocks, and that's a happy coincidence because you are the land of 7 sisters, and 7 is a lucky number. We've had Mindrocks in Delhi, Calcutta, Chennai, and now Shillong. And this has all been made possible because of the vision of your CM. He's the one who thought that bringing Mindrocks here would build a bridge of culture and music between the Northeast and the country, and I think he's right. He's a man full of ideas. I had the privilege to spend some time with him yesterday in a one-on-one, and the vision that he has for the Northeast is just amazing, and I hope that he's going to be able to make it happen. In our parlance, the way we would say it, he's a real rock star. Mindrocks is a unique concept because it was born from ideas that came from people like you. We talked to many young people in many different cities, and we took into account what they said. They said they wanted to engage in conferences, but they did not want talking heads. They wanted to listen to the leaders' points of views, but they also wanted to give their very own. They wanted to see Bollywood, but they wanted to see it without a mask. And they wanted to engage with their role models, but in a way which was casual and candid. So this conference is really born from ideas that came from you, and it's a conference about you, for you. It's an electrifying space. You're going to see lots of your icons here. They're going to talk to you about their successes and, more importantly, also about their failures, because lessons come from failures. And we hope that they will leave you with inspirational stories for your journey ahead. So let me tell you a little bit about the rules of Mindrocks. That over there is Vincent. He's the drummer, and he's going to be part of the conversation today with his drum beats. And he's going to be taking a cue from you. So when you clap or cheer or like something, he's going to give you the drum beats to do the same. So can we see some of that, Vincent? So relax. This is your conference. Unplug, sing along, dance if you like, cheer. It's all okay. Listen carefully, ask questions. Mindrocks is interactive. There will be a Q&A session after most of the speakers, and so you can ask any questions that you want. I have some of them answered. And most importantly, be rocked and go away with lots of ideas in your head when you finish the day. So, Shillong, are you ready for this? And have you got the rules right? Because with our TV channels today, you're being watched by 50 million people. So, let's show them what Shillong is all about. Take it away, Vincent.